What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Nate Matthews from NeverDenyMe.com, back again with another video, doing another client design for one of you guys. Yet again, we're on the Brother SE1900 today. Link in the description if you guys are looking to pick up the same exact machine, and go to the website if you guys have a design of your own. Send it over to me through the website. I got a form, just fill out the form, and we're gonna get to work on your design next. If you guys seen the last video where I told you guys I actually embroidered a picture and put it into a frame, just wanted to show you guys that I really actually did do that, as you can see right here. So it actually just stays right next to me. But like I said, we're gonna get to work on this one. I'll show you guys what we're doing today. Let's go ahead and get started. Today's video is being brought to you by NeverDenyMe.com. Make sure you take a look at the website for all your graphic needs, anything from digital to physical. There's the design right there, and this is how it looks within the frame that we're going to be using today. 4x4, as you guys can see, within a 4-inch hoop. We can fit 2 of them, and this is another thing I've been meaning to bring up. So even though the hoop is like larger than 4 inches, that stitch area within that hoop is only where those dotted lines are at. That is the only place that you can stitch. So if you guys see the hoop like this and say, oh, that's big enough, like that's all I need, keep in mind you only have 4 inches of space within the hoop to do your design. So yeah, keep that in mind when you guys are sending stuff to me and asking for, you know, certain sizing things. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Already have my hoop in the hoop, I guess, the stabilizer in the hoop. This is going to be doing a tack down and stuff, and I do have some black bobbin loaded up tightly into the bottom of the machine. First color already into the machine here, which is going to be white, and it looks like it's already threaded through the needle and everything, so we're good to go with that. We'll actually throw the design into the machine, edit in, we'll keep it in the center. And it says this design is going to take 58 minutes to complete the whole thing. So let's go ahead and get started, because it's going to be a little while, but hopefully it doesn't take that long and I can be a little bit faster with it. But keep in mind, with this 58 minutes that it says it's going to take, it's going to knock out 2 of them. So we're getting more done for the time that we're taking here. All right, so we're starting off with our placement stitch for both the top and bottom area. I'm just going to be holding it in place with my hands for the moment. All done with the placement stitch and the tack down. So we'll go ahead and pop it out. And we need to remove the extra fabric around the sides here. If you guys, again, are interested in learning more about the digitizing process, make sure you go to the website. I actually have been making a course, and I'm just adding more and more content to the course and stuff right now. Just going into detail, showing you guys exactly how these designs are made on the computer, and what I might actually offer soon, not just yet, you know, I'm going to do the regular course videos right now, but if you guys would actually like me to record the process of me making your specific design instead of just the designs that I've chosen for the course, I can actually do that too. Now, keep in mind, it is going to be a nice cost to it, because pretty much, you know, it's made just for you. But if you guys are interested in learning how to, you know, make your design the best possible design that it could be, you might want to watch the process, or just take the regular course that I have on the website and just see what I did with my own designs, and you guys can convert that into, you know, your own artwork and stuff like that as well, and just take the tips and stuff that I give you. But yeah, I'm trying to have a lot more stuff coming. If you guys are interested to like submit your designs to me and have them be a part of like my website, like a store, to where other people can like download your design. Let's say you're an artist, right? You draw, but you don't digitize, you don't do embroidery. If you would like to like donate one of your drawings, if it's a cool drawing that I think other people would like, I'd be able to digitize it at no cost, but I would be adding it to my store to like let other people, you know, either buy it or just, you know, get the file at no cost or whatever, to stitch it out as either a test or for them to sell to their customers. So that's just a way for me to kind of collab with any of you guys out there that are just interested in, you know, watching my videos, but ain't really into the embroidery craft just yet. If you just want me to showcase some of your artwork, I think that would be pretty cool for me to, you know, partner with some artists and stuff like that. That way I'll shout you out in a future video and say, you know, this artwork was submitted by such and such. Their website is this and that possibly. and go from there. Just a thought, just a thought. Let me know if you guys are rocking with that. If so, drop a comment below and thumbs up the video as always. And if you're just stopping by, hopefully you subscribe and you like what you see by the end of this video. So there it is, 2 black bases right there with the separation in between. So when I do a satin stitch at the end, it should have enough space for me to still get the scissors and cut them without them overlapping and things like that. So we're gonna go ahead and toss this back into the machine. And something else that I forgot to, when I said it's gonna take 58 minutes, it's really not gonna take 58 minutes because I forgot we needed to skip a step. So we just saved a lot of time by not having to do that step that I just skipped right there. So now we're gonna be doing the big bold words on the top patch and the bottom patch. And then the next step is we're gonna do the under, the second lines of the words right there. So I'm glad I figured that out. Just realized that right now. So it's not gonna take as long as I thought, and that is perfect. So let's throw this back down and go ahead and knock these words out. And of course, I'm gonna let you guys get a close up and see how it's coming along. Now this part is kind of tricky because it's a comb and it has a lot of little, parts to it. But let's watch how it stitches out. It looked good on the computer, so it should look great in person. Back, so we just completed the first part of this design. I'll show you guys what it's looking like right now, and then we're going to jump to the next part, which is the second line on each of the top and bottom patches. This is what we have so far. Big bold words. Again, now we're going to need to do some smaller words right here at the bottom, on the top and the bottom together. And it shows orange or tangerine on the machine, but the customer just wanted to be able to change the color at a later time. But right now we're still going to be using the same color, white. So we don't even have to change anything. We'll just simply press go. And of course, you guys know I gotta ask you to thumbs up this video if you like what you're seeing so far. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. And hey, if you're a normal viewer, always on my channel, drop a comment below. I know a lot of people view my channel and you guys like the video, but you never comment, which, I appreciate you that you like it, but just every now and then, drop a comment. Even if you ain't got nothing to say, drop a fire emoji or something like that in the comments. Just let me know that you guys are tuned in. And it also helps my video, stay in the algorithm and not break my elbow, but either stay in the algorithm or get the videos into the algorithm. So, these videos can be seen by more people, can help even more people. Again, if you guys have a design that you guys need digitized or stitched out, I got you. NeverDenyMe.com is the place to be. Just that simple. We're all done with the first color. So let me actually go ahead and release it from the machine. We'll load up our next and final color, which is going to be black. And we're going to use that to add a border to our design. So let me wind this up a little bit and toss it back to the side. Now, before I show you guys a close-up, I got to make sure that it does not do too wide of a border and stitch these two patches together by mistake. So let me take a look and make sure we're in the clear. We should be though, we should. Y'all see it right there. Black thread winding up, pulling from the ground. Clean border. By the way, if you guys seen my other video and I told you I was gonna frame this, I actually did it right there like I said I was gonna do. So we have our embroidered design in a frame. If you guys missed this video, go ahead and hit the card that pops up, take a look at that one as well. And I'm really loving that one. Finished embroidery. Go ahead and press OK, pull it out. Let's take a look at our results here. It's looking good, it's looking good. All right, so now going to, where's my little scissors at? Here they go. Right here. I'm gonna cut some of these stitches, or the jump stitch I'll say. Clear it out. That's what's up. Get fresh, stay fresh. Taking it out of our hoop now. Go ahead and wind this back up and get it in place for our next design. I think I got another order I need to knock out. As soon as this video is over, I got another one to do right now as well. But now I'm gonna go ahead and get my larger scissors. Go ahead and cut this out. Just being careful not to cut any of the threads. get close, but not too close. Let the scissors pretty much do the work for us without having to close them all the way. It just slices across the stabilizer. And I actually do have all my materials right here in front of me to go ahead and get these packaged up as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. And I'll show you guys the final result. The patch is all complete, packaged up. Let's take a look at it. This is the results right here. NeverDenyMe.com. Make sure you guys head over to the website if you guys want me to turn your design into a physical patch, or if you just want me to digitize it and you plan on stitching it out yourself. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.